everyone, it's Mrs. Stevens, and we're back to talk a little bit more about angles. I can't wait to show you some more stuff about angles, but I want to remind you that math should make sense. So I want you to think about that as we're doing this. Angles make sense. That's why I'm using the clock example, because you can see it all the time. So let's start with where we left off. Last time we had talked about using a clock and our hands to help us, and we had talked about if it was 3:05 on the clock. So we did this. We also did a right angle or a 90-degree angle, and then we did this angle. It's called an acute angle, okay? Because it's less than 90 degrees, right? If we went up here, it'd be less. You can make this with your arms again, like we've done before. Make it with your arms, and you can see that it's less. At that, if you look on here, it says it's about 70, and that makes sense, doesn't it? Now, this protractor, some people brought up that, what is it that it says 180 over here, and it says a 0 over here? Well, we are going to talk about that right now. What if we have an angle that isn't here, but what if it's over here? Whoa, that's pretty cool. So what if you made with your arms, you stood and put your arms toward your right arm toward the 3 and your left arm, you tried to go right between the 12 and the 9, just like that. Okay, then look at that angle that your arms are creating. Whoa, that is a big angle. Look at that. It's bigger than the 90 because it goes past the 12. Whoa, that is so cool. And it looks like this. Oh, let's bring this guy out here again. Whoa, look at that. So, what do we think the measure of this obtuse angle might be? If we put a line right here, we could make a triangle out of it. And if we drew a line up here and then here, we could make a quadrilateral out of it. So I want you to give this a look. How big do you think this angle is? I'm going to tell you another hint. This is 90, but if you point from 9 to 3, like this straight line does down here, see this blue line right here? What's that? I'll tell you it measures 180 degrees, which makes sense. If this is 90, then that's 90. Whoa, 180 degrees? What's going on? Give it a look. See what you think. Math makes sense. Bye.